Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to do just a chill video, and that's kind of like my favorite kind, just sit down and chat with you guys. So I haven't done a video where I talk about trends I don't like in a minute. I feel like it's because I just don't have a lot of trends that I don't want to talk about. I just kind of don't care for things. So these are trends that maybe I do like for summer 2023, but I know I won't wear them. I don't want to buy them just for because I'm a content creator, because I take Instagram photos. I really don't that often, or post YouTube videos, because sometimes that's my justification for buying items that I might not wear day to day. I'm trying to be just more mindful about buying things that I will actually wear all the time because it's more helpful for you guys. So I probably like a lot of these trends I'm going to talk about, but I'll just never wear them. So that's that. Whoa, I just got really washed out. Before we get any further into this video though, I wanted to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. You guys know the rundown. I'll talk about them a little bit later, but I've been loving Squarespace, been loving posting some different type of content on there. So definitely check out my blog. This is how I wrote it down. Anti-summer trends haul, or purchases I already regret. The first summer trend I'm anti is sheer. I do love sheer, and this was the first thing that came up with the purchases I regret. I have a maxi lace sheer dress that is absolutely stunning, and I just fear I'm never gonna find the place to wear it. Sometimes I talk about Pinterest and how it can dilute normal outfits, and it makes me think that I will be walking a suburban town with my butt cheeks out in a little lace dress, and that's just not the case. Or even a sheer top. I really don't like how sheer lace looks with a bra underneath. I like how I like it with a little skimpy bra underneath, and I know that's not what I'm going to be wearing, especially with my new postpartum breastfeeding body. I will not be doing that. So it's just something that's been sitting in my closet. I loved it for the Coachella lookbook I did, and I think if I went to Coachella I would wear it, but this is the thing, I'm never gonna go to Coachella, so why do I have it? I'm not ready to give it up yet though, so if you're in the comments and you want it, I'm not ready to give it up. I want to at least maybe get it for a picture, and I know that's so stupid, but yeah. So sheer, it's just not practical. Is it beautiful? Is it so cute? The sheer and the lace, yes. And I do have a lace top that has a mesh, double lining, and I'll wear that, but a full lace sheer, not gonna happen. It needs to have a lining, so maybe I'll get a slip for that dress. I won't, but it'd be a good idea. The next thing is something again that I really like, and it's the athletic ballet flats. I think the only way I'd get these if I literally found them at the thrift store and they were under $5, because these athletic ballet flats, whatever you want to call them, I've shown them before on my channel, and I do like them. They're the Jeep shoe, Rambo I think is the other brand of it. They're little Velcro tennis shoes that look like a ballet flat, rock climbing shoes, and they give peak early 2000s mom. And that is kind of what I dress like now. But I think that a lot of items that are so, kind of weird and ugly like that, you have to style them. You cannot put on your athletic ballet flats with a pair of leggings and a baggy t-shirt. You'd probably look so whack. It just wouldn't look right. It would look like you're going rock climbing, and that's not my aesthetic. You would have to style it in a way, whether it's the capris, and then you'd need a cute top with it. You couldn't just do a t-shirt. I don't know. It feels there's a lot of work to make the shoes look good, and I'm really into pieces that just look good with everything I already have. I don't want to have to think about it and really style something. I want to just be able to put it on and wear it. I hope that makes sense. But they're cute, and that's the thing, I like them. Next trend that I will not be participating in is multiple belts. It's just another thing that I'm never gonna do. It's impractical. It's kind of how I talked about the skinny scarf. I've talked about the skinny scarf in the same way. I think it's cute. I like it. I literally have one, but because it was thrown in a bundle I bought, not because I bought it. I'm just never gonna wear it because it feels I'm just never going to take the time to put that skinny scarf on. A real scarf, you're okay, it's keeping me warm, it has purpose. One belt, it's holding my pants up, it has purpose. Multiple belts, it's just not in me. I'm not the extra type of person. This is what I wear day to day. Putting a little scrunchie in my hair, I was oh my god, I'm really doing something today. So that's where I stand with multiple belts. I think it's cute, and I've seen it in ways that I think it's adorable. Even just letting the belt hang on your hips. I literally won't do that. I just won't think of it and won't put it on day to day. Maybe for a night out, but the last time I had a night out, I wasn't a mother. Okay, next one is kind of weird. It goes into that old money aesthetic everybody's talking about on TikTok, and that's linen pants. So I've had linen pants before and I've worn them, but But the thing is, every time I put them on, it feels like it ages me. And is that just me? Because linen pants are adorable. They're like a classic, timeless, you can get away with wearing them whenever. Especially like a wide leg with linen pant. But I feel old. I don't know, it just doesn't go into my style, I don't think. And the way I would wear it, I didn't really know how to dress it in a way that was my style. When I would put the linen pants on, I felt like I had to wear it in the like coastal way of, you know, just a tank top or a tube top with it, or even like the button down blouse with it, and like Birkenstocks or sandals, and that's just not my vibe. I do like Birkenstocks, but all those together just isn't my vibe, and I wouldn't know how to dress the linen pants to make it feel like me. So I hope that makes sense, because I do love the linen pants and I think they look so cute on other people. Okay, and then the last trend is the pleated trouser. This is something that I absolutely adored for so long. I feel like it was my first step into like fashion, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so crazy wearing a wide leg pleated trouser when I was a senior in college, and like before, you know, people really wore them all the time. I felt crazy. And now I look at them and I just think of like 2020, 2019, and it feels dated to me. And I hate that. I always try to be someone who's like doesn't fall into the victim of those things, but to me it looks dated just because it takes me back to me at that time. When I see other people wear it, I don't think it looks dated. But if I put them on, I'm like, who are you trying to be? Like, this is not your outfit anymore, or like your vibe. My friends and I, we always like not make fun. We always call like a certain type of aesthetic a Zara beach, like B-I-T-C-H, but we say beach because we're PG. And when I put on my trousers and like a tube top, I feel like a Zara beach, and I'm not a Zara beach. I don't even like Zara. And the trousers were from NAKD, they weren't from Zara. Trousers, I'm much more of like a Dickies type of like trouser girl instead of the wide leg pleated front trousers, if you guys know what I'm talking about. I have a pair of Izod trousers because I'm an Izod girl through and through. That's probably my favorite brand in the entire world, which is just too funny. They're like knockoff Dickies or like knockoff Polo. Like, it's just like a lot of knockoff, but they have it at like your local mall. Like Macy's has Izod, the trouser pants of that, and that feels a lot more me. It just isn't so dressed up. It's a bit more tomboy, which I've realized my style is a lot more sporty than I thought it was. Those are the trends, my anti-trends for summer 2023. Some of them are kind of old trends, but you know, trends stick around for a few seasons normally, so these things can still be trending, even though they were trending years ago. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring. Let's get into that. If you guys haven't heard of Squarespace before, it's an all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your business online. Stand out with a beautiful website, engage with your audience, and sell anything, your products, content you create, and even your time. So right now I'm going to be using my Squarespace as a blogging platform, which I'm so excited about. You can create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes, and I can't wait to communicate with you guys on there as well. Squarespace's powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts too. Something that was always so important to me is connecting my social media accounts, display posts from your social profiles on your website, automatically push website content to your favorite social media channels so your followers can share it too. And for anything that I start posting on my blog that maybe I don't also share on my YouTube, I can add a mailing list, get the right messages to the right people, collect email addresses through your website, and send subscribers the information they care about most with a unique mailing list. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Lainey for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. If you guys have any video ideas for me, you can leave them in the comments below. And that's it. I love you guys. Bye.